All right, guys, we're opening up this Mewtwo EX box, and we're gonna open up 2 more Destined Rivals packs as well.
We're gonna start unboxing.
Let's see what. For some reason, this isn't all Destined Rivals. It has 2 Journey Together packs.
Yeah, I don't know why, but they did that.
They did the same thing with the Hops Zacian box. It only had 2 Journey Together, and then it had Surging Sparks in it. It's kind of weird because this is the Destined Rivals set, but it's all right.
It is what it is.
Here's that gigantic ultimate Mewtwo big huge jumbo promo.
2020 version.
2025 big
ultra version.
A picture.
Sticker picture. It's kind of weird that they have that.
Yeah, what is this? Why am I getting a mugshot of you?
You want this one or you want the Mewtwo? Do you want his Mewtwo?
I'll get this one. It's mine.
That was heavier. Oh wow, so it's a Journey Together and a Paradox Rift.
Oh, okay.
Which one do you want, my love? You choose.
Oh, Journey Together.
That's fine. Okay, and then we're gonna show the promos. So we're not really promos, but included. This
is a promo.
A normal Mewtwo. Very cool.
Team Rocket's Mewtwo.
The code card. A cute Meowth. It's a Cosmo Hollow. And Team Rocket's Giovanni Cosmo Hollow. Very cool. And put these to the side with those because they might be good. We're saving these and we're opening up 2 Distant Rivals. So I'm going to start off with my first pack. Okay. Code card. Basic Fighting Energy, a Snover, Hippopotas, Team Rocket's Ekans, Combuskin, Shaman, Ethan's Adventure, Ogerpon, Primate, Misty Starmie, and Team Rocket's Spidops. Very cool.
I like the ones that have this art style.
The trippy art style?
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
I think the same artist makes it like that.
Yeah, it has to be the same artist.
Okay. Moving on to the next pack.
I figured out the easiest way to open the packs now. I don't have trouble anymore.
It's a cool Spidops I like.
Alright. Basic Energy. Misty's Lapras. Primate. Drippy Diplin. He looks like a candy apple on that one. He's an apple, but he looks candied on that one. Electrike, that's a good one.
That one's pretty cool.
Spike Myth. Muck. Steven's Matang. Team Rocket's Blipbug, that's a cool one.
Ugly Blipbug.
Team Rocket's Mareep. And Crustle.
Crustle. Okay. Moving on. Hopefully we get a hit from Destined Rivals. Honestly, we got some decent hit from Destined Rivals, but not something astounding. What did we get last time?
We've gotten a few.
I can't remember what we got.
Spidops, Archer.
Oh, and Giovanni. Okay. Fire Energy. Cynthia's Gabite. Ethan's Palava. Team Rocket's Arena. Steven's Baltoy. Team Rocket's Murkrow. Steven's Claydol. Probopass. Ponyta. Wash, Rotom, and Annihilate. Very stinky.
Alright, let's pack.
Okay.
Alright, I'm locked in on this pack. This pack locked in.
Hippopotamus. Higgins.
Chicken.
Chicken.
Triangle.
Phoebus.
Fish head.
Bomb.
Tentacle.
Toad Screw.
Golbat.
Blip
Another blip bug.
$1.
And Zero Aura.
Wow. No hits from 4 packs. We can't win them all. Okay. Well, we'll try again next time, guys. But other than that,